I recently purchased this 2-line 1602 display Morse Code Decoder board. I've now got it working. It's a lot more critical on the frequency. You set the like the BFO. If you've got an old radio, it's very difficult to set. The fault is the switch just here, and it was faulty, and that switch is used to switch on the spacing, but it's now working. But it's very, very critical to set up on an old radio, like the FT101. You need something with more accurate tuning than this. And I'll see if I'm getting a signal coming through. Signal's fading quite badly. Signals are very poor. Fading. Signal's gone again, but yeah, they do work, but they need a lot of twiddling.